Dyma sut dyn ni'n cael adrodd termau Cymraeg mewn cyflwyniad trwy defnyddio feddalwedd testun I Lleferydd. This is how we use text-to-speech software to have Welsh terms in a presentation pronounced for us. Felly yn gyntaf, dwi'n mynd I dewis term ar y sleid yma, gan dewis y gair yma, achos mae'n ddanodd i'w adrodd. First of all, we select a Welsh term to be pronounced, and yna dyn ni'n copio fe, we copy it. Yna dyn ni'n agor tab newydd, we open a new tab, ac dyn ni'n mynd i'r wefan ttsmp3.com. We go to the website ttsmp3.com. Ac yn gyntaf, mi eisiau anwybyddu'r holl hysbysebion yma. We need to ignore all these adverts. This is a commercial website. Be dyn ni ar ôl ydy'r blwch yma yn y canol. What we're after is this box in the middle of the website. A beth gyntaf ni wedi wneud ydy dewis y llais Cymraeg, sef Gwynedd. First of all, we need to choose the Welsh voice, which is called Gwynedd. There she is down there. Ac yna, dyn ni'n gludo'r gair, dyn ni wedi copio I fewn i'r blwch. We then paste that word that we've just copied into the box. Ac, and then we press, ac yna dyn ni'n gwasgu y read, and then we press read.
Addurniad.